Hello friend, my name is Aditya Kumar and I am your mentor for IGCSE IB Board Mathematics. So today we will learn algebra topics. So how can we solve the equation and look at this question. This is a very important question of IGCSE Board. So question number 1, that is simplify 3 bracket 2x minus 5 minus 2x plus 3. So let's see how can we solve that. This is the 3 2x minus 5 and 2, and this is a 2 plus 3. How can you solve? So first we have to multiply this part in this and this part in this. So it will be 3x and this is minus 50 and this is minus 2 is multiply here, so this will be minus 4 and this minus 2 is multiply here, so it will become 6. Now the coefficient of like term will be subtracted, so this will be 2x and this is minus 15 and minus 16, that is 21. So this is the this is the simplest form of the question number 1. Now the question number 2 we will see here, that is on these topics. Question number 2 part is factorize this part. So 2a minus 3b minus 4xa plus 6xb. We have to simplify this part. So here it is same. So what we can take common here in this part? So it is a 2a minus 3b. Here is nothing common. So here what is common? It's a 2x is common. Minus 2x is common. So it will be 2a minus 3b. Again this part and this part is common, so we can write 2a minus 3b here, and here nothing will be left, 1 is left, so 1 is written like this and here is minus 2x is left. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the factorized form of the question number B part. Now see the factorization of solve this part, which is x minus 11 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal to 2. So let's solve this, and let me thickness increase. So it is x minus 11 upon 2 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal to 2. So we have to take LCM like that. So what we can do, either we can solve x by 2 and minus 11 upon 2. This is minus x by 5 and this minus will be changed here, so it will become plus 3 by 5 equal to 2. Okay, so we are going to subtract LCM this part, this x part and this x part is we are going to take the LCM here and nearly like that. So how can we take this part? So x upon 2 minus x upon 5, and this part is going to transpose this 11 part here and 3 part here. We are going to transport both of them. So it will be plus 11 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Now LCM part, 5 will be multiplied here, 2 will be multiplied here. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3x, and this is multiply both of them, that it will be 10 here. And you can say here is the LCM of that is total 10, and 10 2 is 20, this will be 20, and 5 is multiplied here, so it will become 55, and 2 is multiplied here, so it will be minus 6. Okay, so in this way we can solve. And so this part, how can we solve this part? This part is 50 plus 20, that is 75. 75 minus 6, 69. 69 upon 10. Okay, now 10 will be cancel out each one, so it will be 3x up equal to 69. So 3 will be divided both sides, so we will get 3 2 ja 3 3 ja, so x equal to 23. This is the answer. I hope you like this, and if you understood this question, so please like, subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.